Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to draw this type of object in Solidworks. So let's get started. At first select extrude boss command, select top plane. Now select rectangle command, draw a rectangle here, take a smart dimension, give dimension 120 and another one is 80. Now select this one, take thickness 20. Okay. Again select extrude boss command, select this plane. Now select rectangle circle command, draw a circle here. Now select this one. It is also 20. Now select extrude cut command, select this plane. Now select a circle command, draw a circle here 60 diameter. Smart dimension 60 diameter. Now select this one, take depth or diameter thicken 15. Okay. Again select extrude cut command, select this plane, draw a circle here 32 diameter. Again press this one, go here and select through all both, select OK. Now again select extrude boss command, select this plane, select center rectangle command, select this point, select corner rectangle, select this point. Okay. Now take a smart dimension, give its dimension 50, zoom fit, and it is 80. Now select again rectangle circle command, draw a circle here 40 diameter. Now select trim entities, trim unwanted line, again zoom fit, select circle command, draw a circle here 30 diameter. Okay. Now select this one, select opposite, take thickness 20. Now select OK. Now select mirror command, go this portion and select right plane, select OK, select zoom fit. Now our drawing is ready. So thanks for watching this video.